Dashboard. The dashboard serves as the hub for your unique profile within NFHSLearn. On the dashboard, you can see your courses, download certificates, and check your national certification progress. The dashboard is also where you can update your profile information. The Courses area is where you can access your courses. Your most recently accessed course will always appear at the top. Click the Complete Course or Review Course buttons to go back into a course. If your course only shows an Order Course button, it is no longer available to review, and you'll need to reorder the course to access it. The next button on the menu is Distribution. If you've purchased courses in bulk, this is where you can send them and check on their progress. If you've taken the Blended Fundamentals of Coaching course in person, you can use the Redeem a License area to enter the code from the inside front cover of your participant guide. This will give you access to the online portion of your course. Once you complete the online portion, you'll receive your completion certificate. The final button in the My Courses area is My Staff. If you have a group of people who you'd like to send multiple courses to, you can create a staff and send courses in bulk to your group. This is a great tool for athletic directors and principals to manage sending courses all at one time and tracking course progress. The My Certificates button is where you can find all of the certificates that are available for you to download. Clicking the blue Download button will give you a PDF version of your certificate that you can print or save to your computer. The third tab on the dashboard menu is My National Certification. This is where you can follow your progress to being a nationally certified coach or performing arts professional. Clicking the Show Requirements button will show you which courses you've completed and which ones you still need to take to complete the certification. Finally, the My Account section of the dashboard is where you can view, edit, and update your NFHS profile. You can request a name change, update your password, and view your order history here.